cover all the topics, all the subtopics, and I'll inshallah providing you the presentation of the video so you will be able to watch it later also. Okay, then the important thing in this topic is distance time and velocity time graphs. So at first we have distance time graphs. So distance time graph is plotting distance against time. So distance is plotted against time. So I'm um, the exact terminology which is used. It can be plotting distance against time. So this terminology means distance will be on y-axis and time will be on x-axis. So these are some type of graph shapes which we'll be getting. So all of them will mean different things. So we'll be having a look at that. I'll be moving quickly on it. So this one is showing distance against time. Someone tell me what does this graph line show or horizontal line? What does that show? In a
Sir,
graph,
the speed is constant.
speed is constant. Yes. Anyone else? This is, let me tell you, this is distance time graph, and a horizontal line means that time is increasing, but the quantity on y-axis is not increasing or decreasing. So quantity on y-axis is constant. So can we say that object is stationary? It's not moving.
Yes.
Okay. So a horizontal line in distance time graph means object stationary. Ashad, let me tell you this thing also, repeating it. What does the gradient of a distance time graph tells? So gradient is rise over run, y change in y upon change in x. So on y-axis we have distance, on x-axis we have time. So what will the gradient tell in distance time graph? In a distance time graph, the gradient will tell us, we'll consider this graph. In a distance time graph, the gradient will tell us change in distance upon change in time. As you, if I write it here, gradient will mean change in distance means v minus u upon time taken. What will this quantity be? What will this gradient show? Distance covered per unit time. We discuss it. What will that show? Distance covered per unit time.
Speed change.
Speed. So gradient of a distance time graph will tell us about the speed of that object. Okay. I hope you get it. थोड़ा सा I guess अभी review fresh नहीं है इसलिए you are taking some time. So gradient of this graph tells us about the speed, and a straight line, a straight inclined line means speed is constant or it's changing. What does this graph line show? If we have a straight inclined line, what does that show? Object moving at constant speed or not?
Sir, speed is constant.
Speed is constant. That's very good, beta. So tell me what will be the difference in these two. One is this graph and second is this graph. Is there difference in these two graphs? So I cannot show the comparison, but you will have to look at it one by one. So I guess that will tell us about the gradient. So gradient showing the speed is 10 meters per second, and this graph is showing speed of 20 meters per second. So its slope has increased. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Means
Yes.
in this case, object is covering more distances in the given time. So object is moving at a higher speed. Okay. But in both the cases, speed is constant because we have a straight inclined line. And in this graph, speed of the object is zero or the object is stationary. So let's come to this graph. What does this graph show? That does not show a straight inclined line. It shows a curve and gradient of the graph is increasing. Acha, I hope you can differentiate between the gradient of a horizontal line and so let me draw it here. If we have a so we got a curve. Okay, we have a graph. Here we have a horizontal line. Different color लेते हैं. Horizontal line means gradient is zero. If a line is like this, it means it has a speed. If gradient of the line is increasing, it means it's moving at a higher speed. So gradient horizontal is zero, and when it is going to the vertical orientation, its gradient is increasing. Okay. So it means if we have a curve like this, so firstly we can say that speed is not constant. Okay. Second, we can see the gradient here. Gradient here is like this, and then gradient here is like this. So it means gradient of the graph line is increasing because it's tending to be vertical. ऐसा ही है जी? Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes,
And
sir.
if we have a graph line like this, if we have a graph line like this, so this one is tending to be horizontal. It means its gradient is decreasing. Finally, अगर हम इसको continue करें तो it will become horizontal finally. So it means speed in this graph is decreasing. Okay, is that clear? Can you differentiate between the slide number 8 and slide number 9? This one and this one. And this one, speed is not constant, it's changing and speed is increasing. And here, the graph is tending to be horizontal, speed is decreasing. Is that clear? Should we move on?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we'll be covering some questions also. But at first we'll go for this speed time graph as well. So we have these number of lines, these